Hey guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Today I'm going to do a little DIY like I told you guys. Here I am going to well, my daughter is going to go ahead and attach these silver I don't know what to call them. It's like a silver trim. Some of the silver like with silver trim to the glass to around the mirror. These are the things. Those are the things. I get them, like I said, I get them from Pottery Barn. So bring the
Old Time
Pottery Barn, my bad.
And then we got
I get those little mirrors from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, what she's gonna go ahead and do while I tend to Mr. Psychic over here, I am gonna let her go ahead and start gluing these trim. This is a like these
with
around the side of it. So hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys love what you see. Welcome again. Thanks for tuning in with us. She's gonna go ahead and take over, and you're gonna see, and she's gonna let you know what's going on.
Okay, so we did this off camera because we were trying to figure it out. I took off the magnet piece to this so it can attach to the wall with our red thing that we're gonna put on the wall. So I'm going to glue it like this, and we're gonna cut this part off so it can fit and not go around it. Hopefully this doesn't melt the plastic.
Do you cut it first?
Hmm?
Do you cut first?
No, I did not. I'm gonna cut off a little bit more than I'm supposed to, so if I messed up. There. Oh. There. And now I'm gonna glue it with my mini hot glue gun, and we'll put it here.
Guys, I'm back. I'm just gonna go ahead and start on the other side.
Make sure you take the magnet out first.
As you can see, they come with this magnet thing on the back, so I'm gonna try it. Pretty easy, huh? Start from the top all the way down. You gotta go over feet a little bit more for you to get, but these are bad boy on. You gotta get the glue while it's hot, because I think while the glue is not hot, it's not gonna give you the sticky that you wanted. So, like I said, these are really affordable from the store. Trying to give you guys a better. There we go. So, wow. See what I did? I know you guys see my photo in this. There's stuff I gotta clean that mirror. So, I just go around and stick each one. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess ones.
Oh, this is...
Okay guys, what we're doing right now, we're just going around and cutting off the excess. Sorry about the lighting. We've been having rain lately, and we just had a tornado on Monday, so the lighting is a little bit gloomy today. So again, I apologize for that. And everybody escaped the tornado just by the hair of their chinny chin, so thank God for that part.
How?
So basically we're just going around and take off the excess part. We'll do most of it off camera because it was a bit tedious, and I don't think nobody wants to stand there and watch us glue and burn ourselves like crazy. So it's coming up fine. I don't think I'm wishing I had one color, but like I said, I got this from the Dollar Tree and they didn't have much. They didn't have no more black ones, so I chose like different colors. So just trying to do this really good, but said keep on buttoning up herself over here. You guys can see this is what they're looking like. See all the little diamonds. Little diamonds around them. Not really diamonds, y'all. There's some Cuban zirconia. These are super cute. So what I'm gonna do next, guys, I also have these these yarn. So what I'm gonna do,
the twine
yarn, I'll get it off, and I'm going to glued each one behind the mirror. Forget one, y'all, forget one. We're gonna glue the string on the back of, if you guys can see, yes. Sorry guys. I'm gonna glue each string on the back, so when it hangs up we have the option. I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to run the glue stick, along the side, along each side, guys, and I'm just going to glue it and glue it. See, pull them down, and when I hang them up, I'm gonna hang it like this on the wall. So see, I have this little twine behind the back. So what I do, I end up gluing each side, and it's on. So I'm gonna hang it up on the wall. Okay. Okay, these are some of the DIYs that I did. I ended up put 2 in his room and 2 in my bed in my daughter's room. That's his bookshelf, so I could read books at nighttime. And then below I put his little table and chair, his desk right there, his Paw Patrol bed. As you guys can see, before I turn a bed around, because I'm gonna do on this wall, I am gonna do a accent wall on that wall. So I'm still waiting for that to come in the mail. So yeah. Yep. Sorry, it's not focusing for some reason. Okay, guys. Like I said, it wasn't a long video today. I was gonna do a long video. I was quick clean up my son's room, get his room in order, get everything put away, and yeah. So guys, I hope you like what you see. I hope you guys love everything so far. Thanks again for tuning in, and thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.